Okay, hey everyone. So welcome to my first video on DadCode. I'm Anthony, and by day, I happen to be an AI and DataOps PM for an enterprise software company. But by night, well, it's 11 p.m. The kids are finally asleep, and I'm finally got a window to record this. I have kids that are 2 and 1 years old, so the two toddlers, and I wanted to start this channel to show how I'm learning to code. I guess I should say continue learning to code and building projects in the cracks, I guess, of a busy life. I don't have any fancy studio today, just me, my terminal, and some quiet time. I use Ghostty, with some configurations that I prefer. So I hope you enjoy. We're going to set up a new project in my external hard drive. So first things first, we want to be organized. I really find that most of my personal projects off of the external hard drive are best because it helps make my Mac's internal storage cleaner. So let's just jump right in. Yep, I believe it's T9. Cool. And we will create a fresh DadCode directory. So let's do that now. And since this is the first episode 1. All right, then let's get into it. Cool. Yeah. So when you only have 30 minutes, really, to code, you can't spend 10 of it looking for your files. And right, so that's why we try to make it as organized as possible. Okay, so right, we're in the Ghostty terminal. We're inside the editor now, so let's get in there. We're going to create something called basics.py. So first, I'm setting a string variable. Let's just call it DadCode. Next, we'll do an integer for hours slept. Feels like 4 hours, maybe 6, but let's just keep it realistic. It's normally 4. We'll also do a quick math expression. Let's say we have a toy price equal to $19.99 and a tax rate equal to 0.08, which is a float. And then we'll do the calculation for that. Price times tax. Python handles the math just like a calculator, following the standard order of operations. And we will use an F string to print some stuff. That's funny. It prints it out cleanly. It's readable and efficient. It's exactly what we need. So, okay, running on hours slept. It is dark in here. Okay. And then we'll print another F string, the toy's total price. And then we'll do a round. Do the second. Okay, did I do that right? Toy total, round total. Okay, that looks correct. Cool. Okay, we got that done. So that's pretty simple logic. And now we're going to do something else even simpler. Something that is a bit more practical. Dads live and die by lists. So we've got a chores list here. Let's see. Let's create some chores. Chores equals. What do? We do dishes every day. That is Dad's job here at this house. We do laundry and we mow the lawn. It happens to also be Mother's Day today. And then let's just say we complete some dishes. There we go. So I'm going to use an if statement. So if completed in chores, make sure I spell that right. Chores dot remove completed, print another f string. Nice. Completed is off the list. Now else print not on the list, but comma, not period, but I'll take the win. Okay, and then finally we'll just always print the remaining with an F string. Okay, so what's cool is that the if statement checks the completed task. Is it actually in that list? The in keyword is a lifesaver in Python. And if it's there, we remove it. So to strike it off, I did something else, like fixed a toy that wasn't on the list. The else block catches that. Finally, we print what's left for tomorrow morning. It's a simple logic, but it's a building block for almost everything I do in the real world. So now let's save it. So we hit Control 0. Sorry, not 0. Control O. Hit enter, Control X, and then let's run it. Let's see if we get any errors. If not, it should run. Yeah, there you go. Welcome to DadCode, running on 4 hours of sleep. Toy total was $21.59. Nice. Dishes is off the list. Remaining for tomorrow, I still have to do laundry and mow the lawn. Well, logic works, math is correct, and I'm still under 10 minutes on this video, so now I get to go to sleep. If you're a dad, a parent, or just someone juggling a pretty heavy career and trying to level up your dev skills, maybe stick around. I'll make some more videos, and we're definitely going to build some cool stuff. So catch you in the next one.